So today I'm making enough macaroni and cheese for about 6 people. So we're going to use 3 cups of pasta. And while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and begin making the cheese sauce. With the cheese sauce, we're going to use proportions of 3, 3, 3, and 3. If we're making a smaller proportion, we would use maybe 2, 2, 2 or 1, 1, 1. So we have 3 tablespoons of butter, and we add 3 tablespoons of flour to the melted butter. We stir that really well until it's a nice thick paste. And then we keep stirring while we add 3 cups of milk. And what I do with the milk is I usually put it in the microwave for a minute first to get the chill off of it, because otherwise we're standing there stirring and stirring for a long time. So we put in 3 cups of milk, and then what we're adding here is 3/4 teaspoon of mustard, dry mustard, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you're using unsalted butter, you might want to increase that to a teaspoon, which is what we did here. Once that comes to a little bit of a boil, then we take it off the heat and we add the cheese, and you kind of keep stirring the whole time. Add the cheese sauce to the pasta, stir it up real well, and just transfer it into a dish that you can use for baking. We're adding a little bit of pepper here. Now, we always like to put breadcrumbs on our mac and cheese, and that's very simple to do. I use traditional breadcrumbs, not the panko. And again, this is unsalted butter, so we're taking about a tablespoon of it, but we're adding a little salt, and then making about a half a cup of breadcrumbs, mixing that in really well after the butter is melted in the microwave, and then sprinkling it over the mac and cheese. For the baking, it's about a half an hour, but you can make this ahead, and if you put it in the refrigerator, you'd want to cook it for a little longer.